Okay, today we are going to learn how to write advantages, disadvantages essay. This is the book all of you must have, and we are on page number 39 of this book. This book, page number 39. Go on, hurry up, be quick, go on, 39. Yes, page number 39, and you will find this essay. This is the book and page number 39. Okay? So we are going to learn how to write advantages, disadvantages essay. Yasin, make sure they are on page number 39. Now, whenever we get advantages, disadvantages essay in IELTS, there is only one possibility. And that possibility is, do you think advantages outweigh disadvantages? Okay? So this essay type is actually opinion essay. Right? Yeah, it is opinion essay. When they say, do you think advantages outweigh drawbacks or advantages outweigh disadvantages? This is an opinion essay. Very seldom they will give you only advantages, disadvantages essay, and that goes like, what are the advantages and disadvantages of? But as I have seen in many IELTS exams, they don't give that essay type, what are the advantages and disadvantages of? They only give this type, do you think advantages outweigh drawbacks or disadvantages? Okay, now let's take a look at this essay type. The topic is credit cards. Nowadays, it is easy to apply for and be given a credit card. Okay, now see, whenever you go to the bank, this is, sir, please get your credit card made. Whenever I go to my branch, they call me, sir, why don't you get a credit card? And I said, nakad. Okay, not on credit. So nowadays it is easy to apply for and be given a credit card. However, some people experience problems when they are not, please cross B here. B is wrong here. When they are not able to pay their debts back. You use credit card, your limit is 300,000, and next month when you have to pay, you are unable to pay, and then the banks, they will become a crocodile and they are going to snatch all that, right? Now, in your opinion, do the advantages of credit cards outweigh disadvantages? Now, after reading the topic, think about a credit card. If advantages are more, you can tell the examiner advantages of credit card are more. If disadvantages are more, you're going to tell the examiner disadvantages are more. So your opinion is advantages are more, and then you will support that. And your opinion is disadvantages are more, and then you're going to support that. Okay? In this type of essay, you may write 4 paragraphs. In one paragraph, you can discuss advantages. In another body paragraph, you can discuss disadvantages, and then you can write a concluding paragraph where you can give your own opinion. Okay? Now let's see how it starts. It is all too easy to obtain a credit card and then to run up debts which are difficult to repay. This is called a general sentence about the topic. And the topic is credit card, advantages or disadvantages. So this is a general sentence. Second, in my opinion, the disadvantages of credit cards far outweigh advantages. Very simple. 2 sentences in introduction. One general sentence, and second sentence will give your opinion, and then you are going to prove it. Okay, so let's start. Many people consider only the benefits of owning a credit card. Now you're talking about the benefits. Many people consider, because this is not your opinion. Your opinion is disadvantages are more. So many people consider only the benefits of owning a credit card. It is true that a credit card gives you access to money and the facility to pay it back later like a loan. This could be useful for emergencies or something expensive like a holiday. In addition, see connecting word, comma, having a credit card is more secure than carrying money around with you. If you lose your wallet or purse, or if you are mugged in the street, mugged means robbed. If you are robbed in the street, If you are mugged in the street, a quick phone call to the bank means that the credit card will be instantly refused if anyone tries to use it. So in this paragraph, you have mentioned 2 to 3 advantages of credit card, and you said many people consider, because this is not your view, right? That's why you've written many people consider. Now you will come to the next paragraph. On the other hand, credit cards encourage people to spend money they do not have. Now these are the drawbacks, okay? On the other hand means now I'm discussing disadvantages. On the other hand, credit cards encourage people to spend money they do not have. I would never have a credit card for this reason. Debts can build and leave people in real financial difficulties. Okay? When people cannot pay their debts back, everyone suffers. Those in debt may lose their homes, the banks lose money, and the whole economy suffers. The enticing message of spend today and pay tomorrow, that's what the banks do. Okay, they say spend today and pay tomorrow, should not seduce us into embracing this philosophy. As my mother used to say, it will end in tears. She's given some personal example. As my mother used to say, it will end in tears. What will end in tears? A credit card. Then finally you say, take your credit card back and please cut it, and I don't need it. Okay? In conclusion, listen to the advice of the older generation. That means mother. Okay? Do not be tempted by the ease of using a credit card, because it may result in mounting debts which cannot be paid back. Very simple, straightforward essay. One paragraph contained advantages, but because you had, your standpoint was disadvantages are more, that's why you said many people consider. And if you think advantages are more, then you will write here, on the other hand, in my opinion, and then you can write your opinion. So, these words are more than 250, and you can easily write that. Now remember, bottom line is, whenever they give you advantages, disadvantages essay, most common type is, do you think advantages outweigh disadvantages? Most common type. And for that you will write 4 paragraphs. In introduction, you will write general sentence and your opinion. And then you will discuss advantages or disadvantages. For example, if you think advantages are more, you can discuss advantages later, or you can discuss them first. There is no problem. And in the end, you will give a clear conclusion. And conclusion means advantages are more or disadvantages are more. In total, you have to write 4 paragraphs. And the second type is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of? So in that essay also, you will follow the same layout. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using a credit card? So you will write introduction with your opinion, then advantages, then disadvantages, and then conclusion. And what is conclusion? Advantages are more or disadvantages are more. So this is one of the important essay types. Okay, that's good.